Now, the another method is the joining method, which is available in collectors class. So, the joining method, it will use to convert the data or to create and combine strings by joining the string values using the delimiter. So let's go to our IntelliJ and we'll try to implement that one. Fine. Let me just comment out these things and we'll just move this to bottom and we'll try to implement the join method. Okay, so here let me just do the arrays dot string of names that will convert this names array into a stream of string values. Then here we are going to collect that data with the collectors dot joining method. And into this joining method, what we need to pass? We need to pass a join. It will basically pass create the joining method, and finally it will return as a single string values. Okay, let me just collect this one and do the sound so that we can print the data. Okay, fine. Let me just do this one. Now let me run. Okay, see, it's joining the data, but it is not defined. We did not have defined any joiner how it will join the data. That's why it is joining all the data, all the strings without having any delimiter. So let me pass a delimiter. I'm just passing a new delimiter here and then I'm just trying to run this one. In this scenario, now it will try to join all these names with a delimiter which is a dash. See here. Now you can see it's delimited with the dash and it is all the strings where string names has been valued. You can pass any instead of dash, you can pass comma. If you want, you can pass pipe. Whatever the delimiter you are having in your code or your implementation requirement, you can pass the delimiter and it will convert the data into the same. Okay, let me just run with the pipe. Now, okay, you can see it's converted the data with the desired specified delimiter. Right? Now let's move to the other method. Okay, so the next method is the counting method. This counting method actually it will count the number of elements. Let's move to our implementation. Let me commit this code as well and we'll try to get the count. Let me just copy this one. I'll just remove this one or what I can do. I'll just copy these two lines. So instead of typing these things again and again, I can utilize this one. So here we can pass counting. So here you can see, let me just change this to the data type again. So let me just change this. Okay, fine. So here, finally, this will return a long value as a result. And here you can see we are having six values into the names. So it should return six. So it will return the actual number of counts available into the array. Let me run this one and we can check the date corresponding result. Here, fine. Okay. So the number of values available in the array we got same is the output when we are using this collectors.counting method. Okay. Now let's move to the other.